Good morning, friends. Earlier, I have sent a old syllabus of BA Part 1, Semester First Compulsory English yesterday. Now, recently, RTM Nagpur University revised a new syllabus for compulsory English BA Part 1 and Semester First. Therefore, that revised syllabus I have already sent as a PDF file, and today I am going to describe you. Friends, as you have passed your 12th exam, means board exam, and for the first time you entered in Nagpur University. Some changes are there in university education. First, we have to listen. While doing our BA is a course of 3 years, and every year we have to face 2 exams semester wise. Means in BA Part 1 there are 2 semesters, first and second. In BA Part 2 there are again 2 semesters, semester number 3rd and 4th, and in BA third year, that is the final year, again 2 semesters are there, semester 5 and semester 6th. Therefore, as you entered, you have took admission in our Rajiv Gandhi Mahavidyalaya Sadak Arjuni for doing your BA. You are in BA Part 1 and semester 1. Therefore, we are discussing here about the syllabus of semester 1 only. We know that today I am going to describe that syllabus. That syllabus is for compulsory English first semester, and it is implemented from this session 2020 and 2021. Here we can see our English paper has 100 marks. These 100 marks are divided into 2 modes. For theory marks, we have 80 mark paper, and for internal assessment, we have 20 marks. Okay. We will discuss later about internal assessment. Before that, we have to appear in the exam for 80 marks theory paper, and for these 80 marks, we have only a single book, and that name of that book is A Novel Beginning. This is the name of book. This is the textbook for our semester 1. A Novel Beginning is a book edited by Urmila Dabir, Priya Vanjari, Renu Dalela, and it is published by Orient Black Swan. Then some objectives and outcomes are given which are not so important. We are actually going to discuss about our syllabus. In our theory paper for 80 marks, already I told you that we have one single textbook, that is A Novel Beginning, published by Orient Black Swan. This is divided into 4 units. Unit 1, it is for prose section, and for this prose section we have some essays. What type of essays are these? Listen here one by one. We have the first essay, The Thief. It is not only essay, but it is a short story written by Ruskin Bond. Second, Between the Mosque and the Temple by Boman Desai. And third, a letter by Hazlitt to his son. It is a personal essay by William Hazlitt. And fourth, education provides a solid foundation, a very beautiful essay written by Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. These four essays are there in unit 1, that is a prose section. Unit 2, it is for personalities. Some great personalities are there and we have to study that personalities, the famous peoples, the people who progressed in their life, passing through the lot of struggles, and these three personalities are mentioned here. The first is, which are the three personalities? Ramchandra Rao Kirloskar and Lakshman Rao Kirloskar. We will study in the classroom. Then second is Sudha Murthy, who is a co-founder of Infosys and the wife of Mr. Narayan Murthy. And third is Muhammad Yunus. These three personalities are mentioned here in the second unit. Third unit, it is for poetry section, and we have 4 poems which are very beautiful poems of various genres. The first is written by our Indian English writer Mrs. Sarojini Naidu. The name of poem is In the Bazaars of Hyderabad. The second poem is a very beautiful natural poem, Daffodils by William Wordsworth. Third is To Autumn, written by John Keats. And fourth poem is The Highwayman by Alfred Noyes. This is what the third unit. Fourth unit, it is devoted for grammar and comprehension. Now, which are the topic for grammar and comprehension? Here we see the first, comprehension, means it is for passages. Some passages will be given. We have to make it 1/3, or we have to solve some questions and answers already would be there in the passage. It is for 10 marks. Second type is letter writing. Here letter writing, 3 type of letters are there. It is for 5 marks. First is application with your resume, means biodata. Second is placement of order, and third is complaining letter. We will study in this topic letter writing. It is for 5 marks. And then synonyms and antonyms. Synonyms means the word of same meaning, and antonym means the word of opposite meaning. These synonyms and antonyms are there for 5 marks. This is what 80 mark syllabus. And lastly, there is an internal assessment. Internal assessment, it is for 20 mark. We have to submit 2 assignment under this topic. These assignment will be given on the basis of your syllabus, and we have to fulfill that assignment. Each assignment carry 10 marks. We have to submit 2 assignment, therefore there are 20 marks, and this is what a syllabus. Now, we are discussing about a pattern of question paper. We see here there will be a 4 questions in your question paper. Each question carry equal marks, that is what 20 marks. 4 question will be there, 20 into 4 is equal to 80 marks. First question has a 2 sub questions, A and B. In A, there will be a 3 short answer question on the first unit, that is there are 4 essays with internal choice. We have to solve 3 questions carry 5 marks, means 15 marks, and 5 objective type of question. Look here, we can better understood like this. 5 objective question carry 1 mark each. In this way, 5 marks. Likewise, second question is also having 2 sub questions, A and B. Again, there are 3 short answer question from unit second, that is the personalities, and 5 objective type of question carry 1 mark each. Question third is also having two sub questions. In first, 3 short answer question from the poetry section, that is the unit third, and 5 objective question again, that is also 20 mark. Then question number 4. In question number 4, this question number 4 has 3 subtopics. First is for comprehension, it is for 10 marks, that is for passage. In B, letter writing, there will be a choice. 2 letters should be given. We have to go through 1 letter, it is for 5 marks. And synonyms, antonyms, in the match the pair form, it is for 5 marks. In this way, it is the paper pattern of 80 marks. We will very soon go through this grammar section first, and then we will discuss about the prose, personalities and poems. Again, I am telling you through this that you don't have to purchase any book from the market. Whenever there will be a time, and again we have to awaiting for some notification from our university, and then only after I will tell you about the purchasing about this book, because only we have a textbook named A Novel Beginning, and this Novel Beginning is a book. It is not available in the market. When it will be available, I will tell about this, and then it is what only a description of the syllabus, and then very soon we will start with our syllabus. Okay then.